Better than that. Let's try it again. Jump up and down, yell and scream. Who wants to win a bunny rabbit? That's right. We're not going to ask your parents because we don't care. We know they're going to say no. But who wants to win a bunny rabbit? That's right. You got to stay standing if you want to win. You got to jump up and down. You got to yell and scream. You got to get excited. That's right. Now, boys and girls. Okay, hold on. I brought with me today 2 magical bunny rabbits. Right here, behind the white hat. Guess what color bunny rabbit I have? Let's try this again. Work with me, kids, okay? Behind the white hat. Guess what color bunny rabbit I have? I got a white bunny rabbit. And right over yonder, behind the black hat. Guess what color bunny rabbit I have? I've got a black bunny rabbit. Now, boys and girls, at the count of 3, you say those magic words, bingo, and what's going to happen is the white bunny rabbit's going to jump to this side, and the black bunny rabbit's going to jump to this side. Are you ready?
Yes.
I said, are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You guys be going, watch. It's going to be the greatest thing in the world. You're going to get all excited. Watch this. Take it up at the YMCA. Going to the YMCA. And now, boys and girls, to your surprise, the black bunny rabbit is on this side, and the white bunny rabbit is on this side. Thank you all very much. Whoa. What is wrong? You think I'm that cheap? All I'm doing is turning them around? You really think I'm that cheap? Well, you're wrong. I tell you what, we're going to do it again. This time you say the magic words bingo real loud, and what's going to happen is the black bunny rabbit's going to jump to this side, and the white bunny rabbit's going to jump back over to this side. Are you ready?
Yes.
I know it's going to happen. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And boys and girls, the magic is we're going to get. It's going to be so great. You're going to love it. Watch this. At the YMCA. I can do whatever I want. It's my show. Where are we going now, boys and girls? To your surprise, the white bunny rabbit is back on this side, and the black bunny rabbit is back on this side. Thank you all very much. What is wrong? What, you think I'm just turning them around? You think I'm that cheap? I'll prove you wrong. What color do you think's on the back side of the white bunny rabbit? You're wrong. What color's on the back side of the white one? You're wrong. Thank you all very much. All right. Those Kansas kids believe me. All right. Boys and girls, behind the white bunny rabbit is what color? Blue. Yeah. Behind the black bunny rabbit's what color? Green. Yellow. Nobody wins a bunny rabbit. Give yourselves a big round of applause. All right, I'm sorry that happens every now and then.